Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with the LG C6 OLED TV. I bought this TV from Amazon using the link in the description. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same Amazon link for the best price and available offers. The first thing that impressed me was the OLED Evo picture quality. You get perfect blacks, incredible contrast, and vibrant colors that instantly make movies, TV shows, and games look premium. Every scene has excellent depth and detail, especially in dark environments where OLED really shines. For movie lovers, this TV is an absolute treat. With Dolby Vision, HDR content looks stunning, while Filmmaker mode lets you enjoy movies the way directors intended, without unnecessary processing. Gaming is another area where this TV performs exceptionally well. The OLED panel delivers near-instant response times, making gameplay feel incredibly smooth and responsive. Whether you're playing on a PS5, Xbox Series X, or a gaming PC, the experience is immersive with sharp visuals and excellent motion clarity. The AI's Super Upscaling 4K feature also does an impressive job of improving lower resolution content. Even older movies, TV channels, and YouTube videos look noticeably cleaner and sharper on the 65-inch display. Sound quality is surprisingly good as well. With Dolby Atmos, audio feels spacious and immersive, and if you pair the TV with a compatible LG soundbar, while Orchestra allows both the TV speakers and soundbar to work together for an even richer sound experience. The WebOS smart platform is fast, easy to navigate, and gives you quick access to all your favorite streaming apps. It also supports Alexa, making voice control simple and convenient. Another thing I really like is the premium design. The ultra-thin bezels and sleek profile give the TV a modern, high-end appearance that looks fantastic in any living room. Overall, the LG C6 delivers everything you'd expect from a premium OLED TV. Stunning picture quality, excellent gaming performance, immersive Dolby Atmos audio, and a smooth smart TV experience. Whether you're a movie enthusiast or a gamer, this TV is an easy recommendation. If you're thinking of buying it, check the Amazon link in the description for the latest price and available offers.